Cleaning suede is a very delicate task, but with our Rems suede kit, you'll be cleaning suede like a pro. Take the suede brush and brush out the entire shoes. This will remove the surface dirt sitting on the suede. Use our suede natural rubber eraser to take off tough stains without having to work the suede first, and use the brush again just to bring the nap back. Use our premium brush and foam cleaner that has minimal water and is ideal for suede because too much water can damage the material. After scrubbing, get your microfiber towel and begin to dab and twist. With this technique, it will absorb and attract as much dirt as possible. Do part per part to clean efficiently and to make sure the solution won't stay in the material. You can repeat the steps if needed, and after a solid cleaning, let it sit for at least 24 hours, just to make sure the suede is completely dry. Once it's completely dry, alternate use the suede brush and brass bristle brush to pull the nap back and get the fluffiness of the suede. The final result is a clean pair of suede shoes without damaged material.